Hey there. Just in case the website doesn't work for you, here's a video of how to collect the data you can observe and then record your own information onto your own data table. So here we go. This is the website. This is what it would look like. What we're asked to do first is watch a little video, so we're going to do that real quick.
Sunlight is made up of waves of different lengths. They range from long waves of red light to shorter and shorter waves of orange, green, blue, and violet light. When white light passes through a glass prism, it is separated into many colors. The band of colors seen is the visible spectrum. As white light strikes a green leaf, most of the colors except green and yellow are absorbed. Green and yellow are reflected by the leaf and are seen by the viewer.
Okay, so you see how green light is something that wouldn't actually get absorbed into the plant. That should hopefully influence your prediction. So you can pause this video and you can put in your predictions into the little table on the Google Doc. All right, once you're done with that, here's what we're going to do. We're going to pick a seed. I'm going to pick, let's go with radishes. Okay. And we're going to be choosing different colors. We're going to assume that everything else is exactly the same, the type of soil that's in there, the temperature of the room, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to pick colors. So I'm going to start with red and orange just because that's the order. That's the order that's in the table. And we're going to turn on the light. And the experiment is going to start. 30 days later, we've got some little radishes. We're going to measure the height of them, so I'll let you take a look at that. This is plant 1. So you can start filling in these numbers in your data table on the second page. This would be plant 2. So you can put in the number there. And here is plant 3. There we go. Plant 3. That's for red light. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the orange light plants over there. Here's plant 1. Here is plant 2. And here's the height for plant 3. So you should have all 3 of those columns filled in. You will need to calculate the average height by adding those together, each of those 3, and then dividing by 3, of course. Okay, so we are going to reset, and we're going to try this experiment again with radishes. We're not going to change the type of plant, but now I'm going to choose green light and blue light. We'll just go in order on the table there. So here we go. Turn on the light. Oh man, look at this outcome here. So we're going to measure the height of each of these little tiny plants there. Okay, there we go. That is the first plant, plant 1 for green light. This is plant 2 for green light. And then here is plant 3 for green light. All of your numbers, by the way, should be in centimeters. All right, now over to the blue light. Here we go. Here's blue light. Here we go. That's the height of the first plant. See that? Here's the height of the second plant. Okay, recorded that. And then here is the height of the third plant. So, if I'm going too fast, you can pause this video and go back and watch it again. All right, we're going to reset one more time. I'm going to choose radishes one last time. I don't want to change the type of plant. A controlled experiment would have everything constant, of course, except for one variable, one independent or otherwise known as manipulated variable, which in our case is going to be the color of light. So the final color is going to be violet. So I won't need to measure this one over, but I'll just leave it as red. Okay, here we go. 30 days later, here is our 3 plants. So we're going to measure the height of these 3 plants. This is plant 1 in violet light. See that there? Okay. All right, here's plant 2 in violet light. And then finally, here is plant 3 in violet light. So you should have all of the spots on the data table filled in except for average height. So you'll need to calculate that again, add up each of the three plant heights and divide by 3. And then you should be able to answer the analysis questions now. All right, thanks for watching.